Do you want to learn how to make stickers or you want to get into the decal or sticker business? Well, I have good news for you. We have a website called howtomakestickers.com. In this website, I'm going to walk you through what you can find here. Well, the main and the best part is that you can watch many tutorials, actually the best tutorials. We have selected the best tutorials out there because there's a lot of videos, but not all of them are high quality. Us, as experts on this field, we have selected the best videos for you to save you a lot of trouble. And there's from many types of machines like printers, vinyl cutters, even label makers. Soon we will add more videos and you can, as I mentioned, watch the best tutorials from each type of machine with different budgets. And you can also watch videos on price research, not only tutorials, but actually price research if you have questions about pricing your product. So there's videos on that too, and also videos of like real life struggles. You can find real life struggles videos, more like natural videos rather than tutorials. So you can also watch those videos here too. And there's a section, a blog section, where you can watch successful stories from people that started this business, and you can watch different types of blogs. So you may want to check them out if you want to learn more. We will be adding more in the near future. And also there's a calculator that's 100% free and also mobile. So if you want to learn how to price your stickers, here's a calculator, again 100% free, that it's based on the width and height in inches of your sticker, and you can set your own price per square inch, and you can add the quantity, the fees of each additional, like if you're gonna charge shipping, and also tax percentage. So let me give you a quick example here. If you want to price a sticker that measures 12 inches by 12 inches, also you want to consider bulk discounts. So if they get a certain amount of inches per square inch, you may want to reduce the price. You can calibrate based on your own research, and the quantity too plays a role. If they only want 2 stickers this size, you will charge 50 cents per square inch. No additional fees. Let's say you want to add 7% for tax, and this is the price for 2 stickers. It will give you a total before tax and how much is the tax amount and the total with tax. So you can calibrate again your pricing here based on your own research, depending on how much you pay for your material, depending on your state, depending on manufacturers, like if you work from home or if you have rent to pay on a shop. All of that plays a role on your pricing. So again, that is all based on your criteria on how much you charge per square inch and the size and the quantity of your sticker. The calculator is there available for you for free. And here comes another good cool thing about this website is that if you don't have a software and you want to outsource transfers like DTF transfers or screen printing transfers, I have shown you many videos on this channel about this software. However, let me be clear, this software has to be used only with a computer. So if you are with your cell phone, you are using the mobile version, you will not see this icon here. Only when you are using a computer or desktop, because it's the only available mode. So you have to be using a computer. Once you click on it, you will see the software and you can start designing your logo by using the tracing tool or Bezier tool, which I have shown you many times on other videos here. And you can also edit your AI designs. I have also show you how to edit AI designs using deepai.org. And also, here's a section called templates or free templates. You can choose the template here. We have many templates. We'll be adding some more soon, from religious templates to like patriotic, or whatever political you want to call it, templates, many types of templates. So they're free, high quality. You can download them here as a PNG or JPG. And you can also remove your backgrounds here from images. Many cool things. I have shown you many tutorials how this free software works. So there it is. You have everything here in all in one page. If you want to check it out, the software is also 100% free. So you get everything in one place. So if you want to start a side hustle and don't want to spend money on expensive machines, you just want to, get to know this business, you can start with the software and just outsourcing transfers. Or if you want to go all the way, you can just go ahead and watch the tutorials and uh, check out how each machine works. And if you are interested on buying it, you can click and it will take you to our affiliates on Amazon, which is 100% reliable. For each tutorial, they all have their own machine if you want to buy it. And yeah, we have everything here. So anyway, if you want to check out our website, it's howtomakestickers.com. I will leave the link below on the description. We will be adding some more tutorials very soon. And also, if you are a YouTuber, you have good videos, high quality videos, just contact us, send us your URL or your YouTube channel. We can check out your videos. We can also add them for free on the all videos section. Now, if you want more attention, you can choose the video of the day or the premium videos section for a very cheap price. So, yep. Thank you guys. I will see you on the next tutorial, and make sure you hit the like, subscribe. Also recommend this website to your friend or anyone that wants to explore this business, the decal or sticker business. You can tell them that we have a free software and a free pricing calculator there. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video.